In today's business environment, it's just so competitive. Optimizing building performance, managing those operational costs, it's all paramount, right? And yet there's this significant vulnerability in nearly every commercial building. It's a primary source of energy inefficiency that, well, it directly impacts the bottom line, the windows. So we'd like to introduce IRUV Cut Coat HSC. It's a really revolutionary, high-performance thermal insulation coating. It's designed to transform your windows from a liability into a truly powerful asset. And look, this isn't just a coating, it's a strategic upgrade for your building's financial and environmental performance. Our value proposition is built on three powerful pillars. First off, substantial energy savings. We're talking a proven 20 to 30% reduction in AC power consumption with an ROI in under 5 years. Second, enhanced comfort and protection. Our coating blocks 99% of damaging UV rays and over 90% of those heat-generating infrared rays, reducing the temperature in your windows by up to 15 degrees Celsius. And third, and this is huge, a guaranteed long lifespan. It's engineered for 15-year durability. That's more than double what you get with conventional window films. But why is this so critical right now? Well, the data is just undeniable. This is sourced from Japan's Ministry of Economy, Trade, and Industry. And the studies show that windows account for a staggering 73% of heat gain in the summer and 58% of heat loss in the winter. And with air conditioning being up to 42% of a building's power usage, tackling window inefficiency is really the single most effective way to reduce your costs. As all these decarbonization mandates get tougher, IRUV Cut Coat HSC, which is recognized by leading environmental certifications, by the way, is the smart path to compliance and sustainability. Our claims are absolutely backed by an extensive and proven track record. We've successfully deployed our solution in over 1,200 Daiso stores across Japan, which really shows the scalability and the consistent performance. Our partnership extends to major corporations, Drugstore Mori, Amazon, Kawasaki Heavy Industries, as well as government facilities and hospitals. This is a trusted solution validated at the highest levels. So let's just examine the transformation. On a standard 5mm glass pane, the before shot shows minimal protection. But after applying IRUV Cut Coat HSC, the performance is, it's dramatically enhanced. The UV cut rate jumps from 18% to 99%. The near-infrared cut rate, and that's the primary source of heat, remember, it increases from a mere 19% to over 90%. Crucially, we do all this while maintaining 70% visible light transmission, so we're keeping your interiors bright and welcoming. And the real-world impact is just as clear. Our tests show a surface temperature reduction of up to 20 degrees Celsius. In one controlled 10-minute test, a coated surface was 12.2 degrees cooler than an uncoated one. And get this, even on high-performance, low-E double-glazed glass, our coating boosts the IR cut rate from 69% to an exceptional 96%. This performance translates directly to a really compelling financial case. So in a typical ROI simulation, for let's say a 93 square meter installation, the investment pays for itself in under 5 years. With a 15-year lifespan, this generates a cumulative profit of over 2.1 million yen, all while cutting your annual CO2 emissions by over 3.7 tons. See, this is not an expense. It is a profitable, strategic investment. When you compare it to conventional window film, the advantages are just stark. IRUV Cut Coat HSC offers more than double the lifespan, a totally seamless appearance, no joints, no bubbling, and the versatility to be applied on uneven glass where films just often fail. It really is the permanent professional solution. And against other liquid coatings, our technological superiority is evident. Our advanced CTO nanomaterial and our specialized roller application, they deliver a guaranteed 90+% near-infrared pad with a perfectly uniform finish. Competitors, well, they often struggle with inconsistent performance and application flaws. We actually have a case in point. We were called in to replace a competitor's failed 600 square meter installation at a data center, and we ended up successfully recoating 900 square meters to the client's complete satisfaction. The benefits are clear, and they're year-round. In summer, you're getting superior heat protection. In winter, our coating provides this powerful insulating effect with, demonstrated heating cost reductions of 20 to 30%. It also suppresses condensation by 50% and even deters insects by cutting the UV might that they're attracted to. And we guarantee a professional, minimally disruptive installation. Our certified technicians use a specialized roller method to ensure a flawless finish every time. The process is clean, and the coating is backed by a 10-year reinstallation warranty. It's total peace of mind for your investment. Now, for our partners and distributors, this presents a significant business opportunity. The target market is just vast. We're talking retail, healthcare, logistics, offices, you name it. With a strong revenue model and our comprehensive support, everything from sales materials and training to joint site visits and ETV certification proof, we give you everything you need to succeed in this growing market. So the path forward is simple. We invite you to schedule a complimentary on-site diagnosis where we can give you a live thermal imaging demonstration. You can experience the results firsthand with a no-obligation pilot installation. The data is clear, the technology is proven, the financial case is compelling. Contact us today to learn how IRUV Cut Coat HSE can enhance your building's performance and, of course, your bottom line. Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. If you could turn your building's biggest energy vulnerability into its most profitable efficiency upgrade, what would that mean for your business?